Hello kids! Today we are going to meet some amazing insects.
Butterfly. Look, a butterfly, colorful and bright, flying happily in the light.
Ant!
Here's an ant, tiny and small, crawling slowly. That's all. Bee!
Buzz, buzz, it's a bee, flying busy, happy and free.
Happy and free.
Mosquito with a long nose, buzzing everywhere it goes.
Buzzing everywhere it goes.
See the fly, tiny and fast, zipping by as it zooms past.
Zipping by as it zooms past.
Grasshopper!
A grasshopper jumps so high, hopping up into the sky.
Ladybug!
A ladybug, red with spots so neat, crawling slowly, looking sweet.
Dragonfly!
Look, a dragonfly with shiny wings, flying near the water springs.
A beetle with the shiny shell, walking slowly, all is well.
Walking slowly, all is well.
Caterpillar!
See the caterpillar on a leaf, crawling gently, short and brief.
Spider!
Here's a spider spinning a thread, making a web for its bed.
Cricket!
A cricket sings a chirpy song, jumping happily all day long.
Wasp!
A wasp with yellow and black stripes, flying around, buzzing types.
Termite!
Here's a termite, tiny and quick, chewing wood with a little trick.
Moth!
A moth with wings so light, flying softly in the night.
Cockroach!
Look, a cockroach, shiny and brown, running fast around the ground.
Firefly!
A firefly glowing in the night, tiny bug with a shining light.
Praying mantis!
Praying mantis, see the praying mantis tall, folding arms and watching all.
Flea!
A flea so tiny, jumping high, bouncing quickly, oh my, oh my.
Earwig! Here's an earwig not too tall, crawling gently, not scary at all.
Great job, kids! You learned so many insects today. Keep watching our animal series to discover more amazing creatures.